This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Lundell. Cute, 3-bedroom half-duplex off Route 192 just east of Melbourne Square Mall. Approximate move-in date is Sept 15. Open concept floor plan, vaulted ceilings and large tile floors, no carpet. New electric range to be installed when painting is completed. Split bedrooms. Primary bathroom has walk-in closet and shower without tub, and second bathroom has tub with shower. Washer/dryer hookup in garage. Large backyard shared with neighbor. Owner prefers multi-year lease and will consider a small pet. For more information, review the details below.